Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Commonly used idioms in British English. So these idioms are frequently used in everyday conversation. So number one is not my cup of tea, means something you don't like or enjoy. Number two is pooped your uncle, used to say that something is simple or done quickly. Chuffed to bits, it means extremely pleased or happy. Barking up the wrong tree, it means to be mistaken about the focus of something. Cheeky, it means used to describe someone who is playful and a bit rude. When you find a very tough task and difficult things, then you can use this word, throw a spanner in the works. Next is on the pull. It means actively looking to attract a romantic partner. Take the mickey. It means to tease or mock someone. Dunk is weird, a very long time. Give someone a bell. It means to call someone on the phone. Next is hit the sack, means to go to the bed. Beat around the bush, it means to avoid the main topic and not speak directly about something. Back to the drawing board, it means to start over after a failed attempt. So the next is cut corners. It means to do something in a cheap or lazy way that sacrifices quality. The next is the last straw. It means the final problem in a series of problems that cause a situation to become unbearable. Actions speak louder than words. What people do is more important than what they say. Next is break the bank. It means to cost too much money. So the next is a dime of a dozen, something that is very common and not special. Next is get cold feet. It means to suddenly become nervous or hesitate about something. In the same boat, it means to be in the same situation as someone else, especially when facing problems. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more, Allah Hafiz.